amamo ache edeba ahinkai 93.3 FM. Ghana adisiye Obuoba Ofori Amanfo amamo ache edeba ahinkai 93.3 FM. Obuoba Ofori Amanfo. Ghana adisiye Obuoba Ofori Amanfo emamo ati edeba ahinkai 93.3 FM. We are Ghana Adisie, Obuoba Ofori Amanfo Emamo Ate, Ediba Ahinkai 93.3 FM.
One bomb. Sawa. Ajinkwa bro, on this empana brain. Ajinkwa bro, on this empana brain. This is indeed a freaky funky Friday. Some call it a vintage Friday. Ebi mo so friend if that moswo. Whatever you will call. Ni na ko wie fiada. Aba. Dara. Sawa. So them. Baba. Jama. I don't see him faster. I hear from Mosusu Yankopon. Today being the first day of October 2021. Just about 2 more months to go. Yes, sir, I feel say, January, and I'm a catcher will say, I'm found in your best a radi or the woman cat. Asafu Yehovah, and Kakranka Kre Radio the Yecha. We sincerely believe in Him, we trust in God, irrespective of the current predicament, situations that is beyond humans' understanding. We still trust God. Say Odi Yebeko. I don't see any tear be a made of way. Yankopon the Wubecha. A few way or the Wubecha. Or the Wubecha no aside Wakwa Kura 2022 move. Ebeo said I saw. Say what's a train Munkwadia? What's a matchy train Munkwadia? Miss Rade or the Wubecha. I rather the Wubecha. No October year the Urami. Miss was sad the Wubecha. I rather one show so I come at the end. Bede Pemawo Sapa Mede Pemawo Osayi Yesue Mede Pemawo Makoma Yehudia Mede Pemawo Osayi Yesue Mede Pemawo Makoma Yehudia Mede Pemawo Osayi Yesu Christo Mediwaye Osayi Yesu Christo Mediwaye. So Psalm 38 minutes after 6 live on Ahinkana 3.3 FM, bringing you Friday edition of Maakye, broadcasting from the national studios here at Semaboabo, Ekuya Frakomani studio, and Yebutu Nano Pay. Networking the globe with the help of www.ahinkanfmonline.com, my tune in modern Ghana. Streaming live as well on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram. Nina Aye Ahenkai 93.3 FM. So you're gonna receive a double blessings this morning. I didn't see and then you fear that. And I wouldn't say fear that so the yarn and Nijeno was ropa. Why? Because we warming up for the weekend. And as Besia 1st October. Or the year rabo semi fufrumu. And the event cranny yami when you be. Papa, we need to move your papa. Itirimu asempa odonema. I don't sit down and pray. Make a tell us how we are here, and found it whatever situation you're going through as I speak now. But continue to trust and obey. Continue to believe in God. Trust in Him. Do as He wants you to do, and definitely you will be crowned as a winner. Surely there will be light at the end of the tunnel. Put aside all those troubles, all those situations that is mind-blowing. Fanina Sinchain. Naji Eradi Yankupo di say, or do we rather month of October Muno, or will be Papa be the man? Amame, amame. Tarantara, Chantide, Santarada, Kamaba. What is there? What is there? Sir. So on behalf of the team, I am privileged to speak on their behalf. Odia Inkai Kwame Aboa, Ajimpa Kofi Mensah Kobe K, Kwame Asante. I don't pray, yes, and Ababium. I don't pray, ya don't be call a year Kwewu Afram Plains Kakra. Meko ya Jumebu or Kwewu Afram Plains. And the about some Ekoso Horomo Fulani Association. I'm not sure, say kidnapping, I don't know. It is becoming one too many, and into know they are calling for the intervention of the IGP. Say anyone new yada. Wamra mebwa wamusan se fulani fue war Kwewu Afram Plains, you know. Atame she. Ye chiri wamusie sa. I don't know we will delve deeper into that. Not yet dimu and come Special prosecutor Rakisi Ejabing. Yeah, Dini Dibra shedding on the 5th of August. Was saying you must say, now what the idea be the aba. What to the ding say, ask SP. Ask the SP. Bisa a special prosecutor no. Question Ben person Bisano. Now was share that one a media engagement and was share. Or then send me Brenana to Genano pay. Your bedroom was to call not your demon come watch us say. I'm not telling him about why I'm on social media. Then now I'm all flaunting one more so-called wealth. I'll say these people, you know, he's going to hand them. He's going to fight those unexplained wealth. Entimu amoni nyanyamu a yense den hu adwuma poten amoye. Obi etwika kese tundra hwan Bugatti, Bentley, Benz, Chrysler ne Corolla ne kekeka ho. But you can't pinpoint their source of income. Those people now are there to get out of pay, sir. He's going to fight those people. Into one what's the meme asumesi mena mi wosika no ofre wa se bra be kire mi ba bia wosika na se free. Timrantie bebre asobe hye. Emaba wa bebre nso asobe hye. But do you think it will bring sanity? Our environment in Muana. It will force people to shut up on some certain things. Some people on social media, they flout so many things, whether it is true or not. Do you think it's a special prosecutor ne be sha say maami we papa we ono no say we nya ne ho ono no se we sika pa special prosecutor say ni tumi ne man kwan se wetimi fro no obi say bra madam usu wo sika pa usika na adwuma poten ben na wo ye wakatua ne sen e na wutimi to car we wakatua ne sen e na wutimi chi car we eno nso so wo kire say e na adwuma wo be sha ase na wa ye enti wo ho no mo a na wa frɛ wo wo bi se bisa sa de no enti ya ma adwene say ba wo ba ye e politicians nko an wo betata wo mo de a e ne be pa cho wada wo ho. Now, Endra School Feeding Caterers, one association, you know, a press conference. Now, in fact, are legit a whole lot of claims. Just say 12 million Ghana cedis, and I yet to call a ghost account. Ghost account, and also 510. And I don't pay your name penny for the boom come on. Now, yeah, unravel the secret behind this particular story. Live on Ahinkana 3.3 FM. And then see if you're there. And along the way, we've got so many surprises. The show this morning promises to be one of the interesting ones. It's a World Pack show for you. A Sanso a interactive show. And into also be to me about 0594841044. 0594841044. You're back in kind of my Fafa SMS. The WhatsApp and all. I'm saying we can crowd a bit of challenge. We're working around it and check your best survey. But for now, Fafa normal SMS no 0594841044. If you do have a back in come, we are seeing at say a same episode to jar. Yabaka man so na ye papa ko bonkomo ene ewi mo bre sen na e ko papa timi nkan anopai mamo achen
ye mi o
umpu mboko de
nyame adom
ye de radio se ewi mo bre 1st October e ko sen
ma minchia etefo nyina na ne ewi mo bobre no ye sha sen fi northern portions of the country that mango yindi savelugu bogatanga boli tamali wali sandema na le gude ne patem hono ana pe ewi be kusu ema efiti 8 am ya eko so beto wo boli damango bogatanga ena na le rugu ayeye ana pe na eko coastal areas na mpoano no aflau kita adan teman nkai hasopon Cape Coast takrade azim takwa ene half asim make us say nkai ha nsu no ashase petepete there's a 3 am no na nso no ashase nti egusu a eto nti enam kwanso eko takrade sopon Cape Coast azim takwa ena half asim almost obenya nso na anape ema yemo so begina 29 degrees Celsius na yeba inland areas na Kumasi Sunyani Obuasi when chicken tampo go so edwira bono ne techima ne empate mono so no ewie nso na ebeto ewo ho ema ewie mo so begina 30 degrees Celsius na eba eastern portions of the inland areas na Samanka Sekofodua akimoda ofuase abuabo asani bata bibi ni achianse so adru akwetia ene ne empate mo so no yes between 11 am aircon nso no ebeto wo emia popo ne kwaye wo no nso ebeto ema ewie mo so beka kujina 30 degrees Celsius intine ewie mo bobre no.
Okay, papa yedase anopay.
Yo medase.
Okay. Inti abusia ye ne papa ni clerk and akotwetwe come all the way from Ghana Meteorological Agency. Wo matena akasi mu onkran. Wie mo bobre se ne ne ebekọ ene ode ema ye no sima aduanan enwotwe ena agba pa no pa no nsia eho kai na ehye ne nso dwumadie yi edin eda so ene Maakye ofremi Obuoba Ofori Amanfo.
Ghana Adisie Obuoba Ofori Amanfo emamo ate edeba ahinkai 93.3 FM.
Come on, everybody.
Saba. Wumum. Da da re. Sa.
Are you ready? Play it again. Come on.
Made up for our Bible, no. For our Bible, this is here. For our Bible, this is here. Nabia called Genesis chapter 1. We are reading from the 28th. And King can swear to us with you new watch. And how many I can kind of free a call. Jesus, oh yeah, me go thank him. Jesus, oh yeah, me go and come here. Make a okay, I don't see where be a young cry. Genesis chapter 1, 28. Yeah, King Kind. And then you remember for our buy your buff pa or your buff ones when a near day. Na near woman ye. Or buy no back at them, sir. Bobby, you have a so. What's a so called now no pay ya? One in Yammy Manco Cassana catcher almost say. Say, I would add to me, she won't be a moi, Uncle one mad the anti woman. Uncle one form when we at the month of October. About for the semi mechanical categorically say, I would add it to me be the Wuda Wumua. I said to me, no, I would be a fee, but so me a cano. I would add it to me be the Amawa. Was some in country would say, and you may be a day, yen, you my papa, Braboma, to be doing you. What did to me the Wuda Wumua? What they best say, sad yenina. I would add it to me be the Wuda Wumua. Yarian to me, Tanani Padianimu. I would add it to me be the Wuda Wumua. The month of October would be bedding Konim. I would add it to me be the Wuda Wumua. And no, I would be to me the cabo sumi yimo. I would add it to me be the Wuda Wumua. And no, I would be bedding Konim a yabu sumi yimo. And don't you catch them categorically, some country will say. Take dominion over your success. Take dominion over your victory. Take dominion over your riches, over your good health, long life, prosperity. Take dominion. Say, I can't say take dominion. You see, nyasutumi. What is it that is in your life that you are struggling, you are grappling to take charge of it? This morning, I have come as a humble servant, being sent by the Holy One to come and proclaim to his people. God says I should tell you this morning, he is giving you that power. God is giving you that dunamis to take charge over everything in your life. And it's in a baby a cool one a crowd. But now no pay. I have come to tell you, my bad me can't say. Nyanko posi wa di tumia. Eburu tumi nyina so. Tumia wa de man the drop by Yesu Christo no. Wasi wa di be man now no pay. Now what the betting konim? What the betting konim? What the tumi no ewurade de ma wo no? What the betting konim? Tie nyame ba. Nyanko po di tumi bi de ma wa no pay. Na sa tumi no wa de ma wo no. Won hwe ni musa wo di tumi ni be di konkonsa. Won hwe ni musa wo di tumi ni be ya ohmo amoa. Won hwe ni musa wo di tumi ni be bubu baby a. Ensem fata ye de ye fura entomago e di ntie ni apripra kro. Tabi sa tumi no wa de ma wo no. Wo di tumi ni be di nkonim. And until be your Bible of our confess, Genesis chapter 1. Genesis chapter 1, we are reading from the 28th. Me do ba kwa chire kakra na yakan 27 no na fe ye de aba me pato ye mpo so nyomo no na fe ye no siko nyame asemu. Genesis chapter 1 ye kenkan me do ko 27 se ne be ya wo beti asem na se yie. Enti se me hyase akan or say, so God created man in his own image. In the image of God created he him. Male and female created he them. I just love the way how much says no. I say so And the moment I will bet so biano, it means na enkomo bi edikan koso. Nyankopon ebo aba asase so no, enkomo bi di kan koso, odi kan dwene ho, say yes, me de wo ba abusua somasi mu, me de wo ba abusua obintin mu, me na me nim de entia me de wo ba sa abusua ni mu, me awurade atena ase, na ne maka atere me ho ne say, me hyira wo meboa wo, me de wo kwa abusua ABCD mu. Sa abusua na me de wo kwa mu no, you will go and take dominion over that family. And in the Bible says, so, meaning there has been a continuous discussions about your life. Obi wo ho no obi sa no ho se adenti na me abusua emu na me be pie ye. Hwe, Nyankopon adikan discuss. Nyankopon adikan dwene ho. Nyankopon adikan ye feasibility studies. Na wonimu se sa abusua no ade wa be wura mu no. Eye sa abusua ni mu na wo ba be di nkonim. Eye sa abusua ni mu na wo be pagya no. Awurade nam wo so e be pagya sa abusua no. Anopa yi se waba mu ye abu asem nka nkyerɛ se sorry na di sa abusua no so nkonim. Sorry na sa situation no a ewa abusua ni mu mo ka kyerɛ mo ho se yen abusua yi de wo ye bema enya de a wo betumi aware. Wo ye obema untumi nsidan untumi ntu kwan no. Tie Bible ma meti ase se ansa na awurade de obi biara be kwa abusua bi mu no obudi kan tena ase eni to kenkan eye Genesis chapter 1:27 no brofo no say so means earlier discussions bi ayen akoso enti sa abusua no a wo say ye de yentumi nware wo mu ye de yentumi ntu kwan ye de yentumi nwo no awurade de waba sa abusua ni mu say what the to me the amount and am also sa de ne besesa whatever that has become a chronic disease or whatever situation in that particular life, you know, God brought you to that family to make a change, to effect changes in that family. You don't sit there, sit aloof. Now don't say so them from now also so the same conversation, you know, akoso, no. You come and you follow. Listen to me. And I pray God is instructing you to take dominion, take charge over that family, take charge over that job, take charge over that your life. So God created man in his own image. And it's me believe in it say, if God was able to create this world by words, and the Bible says he created man, you, what would say me and pay? He created you in his own image and likeness. Enti se Nyankopon to me e na num nsam esesam biribi wa abrabo ni mu a e wo sam men so mitimi di manum asem esesam biribi wa mabrabom. God created you in his own image. So God created man in his own image. In the image of God created he, male and female. Oba bema anything tena sen kan kire me say ye de yebusua ni mu ye nware. Awurade ama wutumi, you can stand on your feet. You can command words. You can conjure things in the spiritual realm. And something good will happen in the family. Through you, family chains can break. Take dominion. Jai abamubuo kasa no a wote abusua ni mu kekama wo ho no. Won so betu kwan ka kire wo ho. Won so be ye ka kire wo ho. Ka kire wo ho say won so betumi atwa bosom ya akai wo betumi atwa wo ahoɔden mu e wo sika mu onko spend wo hospital. You will never spend the rest of the days at the hospital. Tell yourself. 28. And God blessed them. So God created man in his own image and likeness. And the second step was he blessed. Nti oshira ade na oboy ni nyina. Anopa yawurade ashira wo. Anopa yawurade wa shira wo na wonfa wani na ehunu ye ntia. Because you don't have a spiritual eyes. So you cannot maneuver your way into the spiritual world to see how God has created you. And into the yana ubu when mutiano. Anopa me say, God created you in his own image and likeness. And God blessed them And God said unto them, be fruitful. So why are you telling me you cannot bear, you cannot bear a child? You are seeking for the seed or the fruit of the womb for so long. The Bible says, God said unto them, also to us say, by ye na way busium no, ye ya wedding wiene ya anyamo a yentimi ngo. Awurade so say wo take dominion, take charge, exercise and demonstrate the power of God in your life. Demonstrate the power of God. And Christopher Abanan saying, oh, pa bamubuo for one more camp bamubuo nsamopa ye Christopher. But I no pay, so we betie me. Now I'm sorry. Now what say, Awurade de to me be the amount. And into was already 2 million juma. Ubenya som faso. Mamen king kan fancy na Facebook so for ne meto asom fama. Or say, God said unto them, be fruitful and multiply and replenish the earth and subdue. Brofono, subdue. Finally so. Subdue it. Enti what is it that unya ye wo abrabo mu a anka wo pe. Nanso nsanka ye. Awurade se fadi so. What is it that unyaye it will complement your life for you to get a whole set? What is it? Minim but would you win him? Fa nediso, subdue it. Fa nediabeng nediso. The month of October, you will subdue it.